Question number 8. In the adjoining figure, sec AD is perpendicular to sec BC. So here it is given perpendicular marks. Sec AD is perpendicular to sec BC. And sec AE is the bisector of angle CAB. CAB is the full angle and AE is the bisector. So this angle CAB is cutting into exactly two parts. Okay, and CED are in straight line. So prove that angle DAE, where is DAE? DAE is in middle. This is the very important angle we have to focus. Angle DAE is equal to half of angle B minus angle C. Angle B and angle C. Angle B minus angle C measure into half. This we will prove. So from where we will start? We will start from bisector of CAB. AE is the bisector. So if AE is the bisector, AE is cutting angle CAB into two parts. Which two parts? This is the bisector. So we will take BAE is congruent to CAE, right? So accordingly we will write here proof. Start from bisector of CAB. In this, BAE, angle BAE is congruent to angle CAE. Ray AE bisects angle BAC. Consider this as equation 1. Now here angle BAD plus DAE is equal to BAE, right? See, we will focus on these two angles. Angle BAD plus angle DAE. Angle BAD plus angle E. Angle BAD plus angle DAE. DAE is equal to angle BAE. Angle BAE. By adding these two angles, we will get BAE. Angle addition property. Angle addition property. And here we know in the question the main angle is DAE. So therefore write angle DAE as it is equal to, bring this BAD this side. So first we will write angle BAE, and while taking BAD this side it becomes minus BAD. Consider this as equation 2. Now one more angle addition property we will take, that is CAD. BAE over, now CAD we will take. So angle CAD is equal to angle, okay, total we will write next. Angle CAD. So here two angles we will get, this and this. So angle CAE and angle DAE. Angle CAE plus angle DAE is equal to angle CAD. So here also main angle is DAE. So DAE we will keep as it is. DAE is equal to angle CAD, and take this side, here becomes CAE. Consider this as equation 3. Now come to this. Here both are DAE and DAE, is it? So we will add equation 2 and 3. Add equation 2 and 3. So what happens? By adding left side, DAE plus DAE, DAE plus angle DAE is equal to, by adding right side also, angle BAE minus angle BAD plus angle CAD minus angle CAE. So here DAE plus DAE, 2 angle DAE is equal to, now here how to add these two? In this, from equation 2 and 4, see this angle BAD and BAE minus BAD. BAE minus BAD is equal to angle DAE. So here 2 DAE, and in this from here to here we will write same to same, BAE minus BAD plus CAD minus, see equation 1 here. Instead of CAE we can write BAE. These are congruent, is it? So I will write BAE. So here positive BAE, negative BAE cancels. Therefore angle 2DAE is equal to whatever remaining. This is negative, I will write next. First I will write angle CAD minus angle BAD. Consider this as equation 4. So this is the first part of the proof. Now in the next part, again we will focus on the figure. Here we will focus on, this is also 90 degree. We will focus on triangle BAD. Okay. So first part is over. This you keep inside. Now focus on this triangle. In triangle BAD, sum of angles of triangle property we will use, that is angle BAD plus angle ADB plus angle ABD is equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. You can write the reason. Sum of measures of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. So now angle BAD is equal to, see angle BAD no measure given here, we will write as it is, plus angle ADB is 90 degree plus, instead of angle ABD I will write only B, just middle one, equal to 180 degree. So now here keep BAD as it is, angle BAD is equal to remaining this and this we will take to right hand side. So 180 degree already present, right as it is, and while taking negative positive 90 degree it becomes negative 90 and positive B becomes negative B. Therefore angle BAD is equal to 180 minus 90, 90 degree minus angle B. So consider this as equation 5. Similarly, we will focus on another triangle, that is DAC. This angle we will take. So in this triangle in triangle DAC, again we will use the same method, that is angle DAC plus angle ADC plus angle DCA equal to 180 degree. You can write the property whatever written here. And next angle DAC no changes, write as it is, plus ADC, angle ADC is 90 degree plus, instead of DCA I will write only C, that is equal to 180 degree. Same method we follow. DAC write as it is, DAC equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree minus C. So here angle DAC is equal to 90 degree minus angle C. Consider this as equation 6. Now again come to this here 2DA. This is a very important step. Here 2 angle DAE is equal to CAD. Instead of CAD we will write here CAD is equal to 90 minus C degree, correct? Instead of BAD we will substitute 90 minus angle B. So I'll write in the next page. So here I will write this equation 4 again here. 2 angle DAE is equal to CAD minus BAD, and therefore 2DAE is equal to CAD, angle CAD equal to 90 minus C degree. So 90 degree minus angle C minus of, here in the middle we have negative sign, so I am taking bracket and whatever value of BAD I am writing here. Angle BAD is equal to 90 minus B degree, 90 minus angle B, whatever, from equation 4, 5 and 6. Reason we will write. Reason is important. So here, therefore angle 2DAE is equal to 90 degree minus C as it is, and here remove the bracket. While removing bracket it becomes negative 90, negative into negative, positive B. Therefore 2 angle DAE is equal to positive 90, negative 90 cancels, and here negative C is there. So B I will write first because it is positive, positive B, and negative C. Next, I will take inside a bracket. So now 2 angle DAE means 2 into angle DAE, correct? So angle B minus angle C. Now into 2, I'm taking this 2 this side of equal sign, right side of equal sign. So angle DAE write as it is. While taking this 2 into 2, it becomes divide B minus angle C by 2. Therefore angle DAE is equal to half of angle B minus angle C. This is the answer whatever asked to prove in the question. Prove that DA is equal to half of angle B minus angle C.